Hey, tech-savvy viewers! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth gadget reviews. Today, we have something special for all you iPad enthusiasts out there: the GreenLaw iPad 9.7-inch keyboard case. If you want to elevate your iPad experience, this is the video you've been waiting for. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our tech updates. Let's jump right into it, shall we? The GreenLaw iPad 9.7-inch keyboard case is all about convenience, productivity, and style. Whether you're using the iPad for work, entertainment, or creativity, this accessory has you covered. First things first, let's talk compatibility. This keyboard case is a versatile companion, working seamlessly with several iPad models, including the 6th and 5th generation, iPad Air 2nd generation, and the iPad Pro 9.7-inch. Just check the back of your iPad to confirm the model number before ordering. Now, here's where things get colorful, literally. The GreenLaw keyboard case features a stunning 7-color backlit keyboard. With 3 levels of brightness, you can set the mood just right. Whether you're in a dimly lit room or prefer a vibrant workspace, this keyboard has you covered. But wait, there's more. This keyboard case isn't just about typing. It's also equipped with a multi-gesture smart touchpad. Imagine having the precision and control of a laptop touchpad right on your iPad. It's perfect for editing documents, browsing the web, and boosting your productivity to new heights. Need to juggle between your iPad and smartphone? No problem. The GreenLaw keyboard case supports dual Bluetooth channels, allowing you to connect and seamlessly switch between 2 devices. Just press FN plus Q, W, and you're ready to tackle tasks on both devices. Battery anxiety? Not with this keyboard. It adopts the modern Type-C charging interface and offers quick charging in just 3 to 4 hours. Even with the vibrant backlighting, it can continuously work for up to 5 hours and an impressive 70 hours without backlighting. Plus, it comes with an automatic sleep function to conserve power. Protection meets functionality with this keyboard case. It's not just a typing tool. It's designed with your iPad's safety in mind. The slot for your Apple Pencil ensures you won't lose it, and the soft PU material offers drop-proof and scratch-proof protection. Plus, the adjustable angle slot gives you the perfect viewing angle every time. And there you have it, folks. The GreenLaw iPad 9.7-inch keyboard case, your gateway to a more efficient, stylish, and productive iPad experience. If you're ready to transform your iPad into a powerhouse, this is the accessory you've been waiting for. If you have any questions about this fantastic gadget, or if you've already tried it out, share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more amazing tech reviews. Until next time, stay connected and tech-savvy.